11 hours. So let me do a quick recap. It was 7 hour smoke, 3 hour wrap, and 1 hour rest time. Only because we don't have a cooler. But let's check it out. Nice smoke ring. Real nice smoke ring. Let's just try one out for real quick. Oh man. Are you kidding me? Are you freaking kidding me? So I'm 6.5 hours into it. The point, it's reading 175, almost 180, 177 around there. For the flat, I'm in the stall. I'm at 156. So I gotta cut this one off and wrap the point and continue cooking the flat. Because if I don't take this off, it's gonna overcook again. Welcome back to the 805 Barbecue Junkie. So this is already my third brisket in 1 week. My first one, I used a pellet smoker. It came out good. It's just the point was overcooked. So to me, that's a fail. And then my second brisket, point was good. It was a flat the fat didn't render right. When I pulled it apart, it just wasn't pulling. So 2 fails. Not every cook that I do is perfect, because it's not perfect TV. So I went with a Creekstone brisket prime. So I went with a better cut of beef, if you will. My other ones were from Sam's Club prime. So I didn't show the trimming. That's all boring. But all I did was salt and pepper, trimmed it up. I'm gonna be smoking at 275, 250. I do have a water pan under the brisket. And the whole idea behind this, trying to nail the brisket, only because I want to start selling it here in the 805. And hopefully one day I'll get a restaurant. Let's see the money shot. Right? Beautiful. Beautiful smoke ring. Money. I'm cutting the slices a little big, but it still pulls apart no problem. No problem. Let's try the fatty piece. This is freaking bomb. I freaking nailed it this time. I freaking nailed it. Brisket came out bomb, and I am so looking forward to sell my brisket and sell my barbecue in the future. I am not perfect when I cook, okay? There's always failing. But when someone fails, or when I fail, I take it to heart and I just push forward and I try to make it right. It took 3 briskets for me to nail it. This is way better than my other video that I posted, the pass or fail. Top notch right here. Gracias for watching the 805 Barbecue Junkie. Thank you, and you already know, I'll see you next week. Gracias.